Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jamie G back here again. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. What I'm going to show you guys is a little hack that I use to grow my chatbot from 0 to 41 subscribers in less than a day. I also ended up with over 59 new people in my Facebook group and one little old affiliate sale on top of that. So anyway, I'm going to jump on my laptop and I'll see you guys in a moment. It is Jamie G back here again. Thank you very much for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, pretty much all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Alrighty, without further ado, let's jump into it. Basically, what we're looking at today is how I was able to grow my chatbot from 0 to 41 subscribers. I managed to grow my Facebook group by an additional 59 members, and I did it all from two very small little Facebook posts that I'm going to share with you guys. So I've been talking about Facebook groups lately, and I've basically my Facebook group, it was like watching paint dry. There was just nothing happening, and I thought, you know what, I really need to start growing this. I need to get my community going. I need to basically get people into that and into my kind of sphere of awareness. And how am I going to go about doing that? So basically, what I started doing is putting up posts, and I scheduled them. So what it meant was there was always going to be something happening in my page, in my group, and not everyone's going to like those photos or those comments or whatever. Not everyone's going to engage, but the fact of the matter is, I am getting eyes on my content, and I'm posting, scheduling posts to go out 3 times a day at random times, usually morning, afternoon, and night. And I'm also doing lives. I'm posting random stuff as I come, as I sort of discover them, things like that as well. So it's not just me leaving posts on a schedule and then leaving the group alone. I'm incredibly active in there, and it's starting to pay off, which is really cool. So anyway, just to go over some stats with you, this is my group, and of course there is going to be a link below if you do want to join. I think it's going to be a pretty rad group with myself and a whole bunch of other people in there as well. So anyway, check it out. Post comments, reactions up 90% in the last 28 days. Got over 81 members, new members in the last 28 days. But what's really impressive is that over the last 4 days, 26th of March through to the 30th, which it's actually the 31st here in Australia, but it's going off US time. You can see that the growth has gone from like maybe one here, one there, blah blah blah. Maybe one got added there to bang. Here we go. Check that out, like massive growth out of nowhere. So and that's, yeah, like look at that, 203, 214, 224, and then today 235. So up 17% overall in that time frame alone. And as you can see, there's 59 new members just in that timeline, and that's out of a total of 81 over the last 28 days. So what have I done differently, and how am I attracting these people into my group? Well, bear in mind, these aren't on my list. This isn't a group where I'm just saying, hey, list, you should sign up to my group. I've tried that. It didn't really work. So I'm trying a different approach. And basically, what I decided to do is make people get a password via my chatbot in order to actually join my group. And I want to create a sense of exclusivity by being part of the group, which is why I make them go through that funnel. So, little caveat at this stage, and full credit goes to a gentleman by the name of Jacob Karras. If you don't know him, I am going to leave a link below. Check him out. He's a super cool dude. I met him in Melbourne earlier last week, and him and I had a coffee. Great guy. Was able to give me a whole bunch of insights into affiliate marketing, and he's one of only 60 people that have won the ClickFunnels Dream Car. And one of the things he told me is you really want to try and incorporate chatbots into growing your group, which is what I've done. So anyway, thanks very much, Jacob, if you ever happen to see this particular video. Right, I'm just going to show you my chatbot now really quickly. I set this up under my own name, Jamie G. And as you can see, I kind of went from nothing to 41. Now, little caveat once again, one of those is me. I'm sorry, I was testing it out. So it's actually only 40. And of course, we're not talking big numbers here. And I'm not saying 40 subscribers is epic proportions or anything of that nature at all. But what it means is that I now have 40 people that I've paid nothing for that I can advertise to. And if you're unfamiliar with chatbots, their open rates are well into the 90s. In fact, for this one alone, it's 97%. So just going over this really quick, as you can see, this is me testing some stuff. I got a random subscriber. I'm like, great, that's awesome. Another two here, another double my subscriber count in one day. Woohoo, 2 to 4. Wow, amazing. And then this is where the magic happens. So all of a sudden, I've just gone from like 4 to 41. So obviously, some pretty massive growth, and as a result, people were able to get their exclusive passwords to then join my group, which they did do. So that's kind of cool. And what I want to show you guys is how I was able to do this. I basically put out 2 Facebook posts, nothing extravagant. And unlike a lot of people that do this technique, they just say, hey, I make millions of dollars a week. Who wants to learn how to make millions of dollars a week, or $500 a week, or whatever the case may be. I've seen some of those posts get a whole bunch of engagement, and other times I've seen them get 0 engagement. It really depends. And this one, all I've done is gone into this different page there, the group, I should say, promote your business for free, or business or page for free 24/7. So I just put up a thing just saying, hey, I've started a Facebook group to help affiliate marketers connect. Anyone interested in joining? And as you can see, 143 comments, 25 likes. Now, again, a little thing to note on this one is a whole bunch of those comments are me responding to people. So just to let you know this process, the reason why I've structured it like that is basically I don't want to just go, hey, here's my link, join my group. And the reason being is that I want people to view this post. I want them to connect and comment on this post, because the more comments you get, the more people connect and like it, the more people will the Facebook algo will kick into gear. It will show it at the top of people's feeds. And because of that social proof that's already on that, you will have a higher likelihood of other people responding and commenting, all that sort of stuff. So the way it works normally is that you would send a private message. So you don't want to put your link out there at all. So who's interested in joining? People say, yes, me, yes, interested, I am, yes, thank you, great, this is amazing, yes, blah, blah, blah. And then all you need to do is just send them a private message, just, hey, thanks very much for your comment. Here's the link to join my group. You're welcome to join in. So, and then I'd go back to the actual Facebook post and I just leave a reply saying, hey, I sent you a PM. But what Facebook does is they actually lock down your page and lock down your account after a little while if you've sent too many of these types of messages. So I sent maybe a dozen. I thought I don't want to get in Facebook jail. So then I just started leaving the link, and obviously people are a little bit too lazy to actually have a look at some of these comments. So they're pretty much just going through and saying, yeah, me too, yep, let's do it. And in doing so, I've just left my link around. So this person said, yeah, I'm interested. I'm going, okay, great. Well, here's how you join, basically. And it was one person that had a bit of a hissy fit about the fact that you had to go through a bot, and there's a whole bunch of people that have clicked and not actually liaised or gone through the process of interacting with the bot, and I completely get that. And then what you'll find is that when you do start getting decent amounts of comments on these types of posts, all of a sudden you get these random links that just are horrendous. Like, in fact, I'll rephrase that. The one that's is actually not too bad at all. There's others there that are like, hey, free Forex method, blah, 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 join my thing over here. And you're like, why wouldn't you just put up your own post rather than spamming someone else's thing? But anyway, that's that. So that was one. And then there's only one other one that I did. Same sort of thing. Hey, I've started a thing, blah, blah, blah. Does everyone want to connect? And again, I got 81 comments. And once again, I did get a whole bunch of people going, yeah, thanks. Here's my crappy link. And I call people out. I'm like, thanks for spamming my thread. Like, just start your own. It's not that hard. All I did is write, 2 sentences. Can you not write 2 sentences on your own? So it gets kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. I've been really active. I've come through and I've hidden those types of comments so no one else can kind of get spammed by them. And hopefully people that are actually genuinely wanting to help with their affiliate marketing do actually see the link that I'm putting up there. They will come to my group and actually get some proper education on affiliate marketing along the way. So anyway, the result of all this was, like I say, 40 subscribers to my bot that I can continue to liaise with. I got 59 new members into my Facebook group. Once again, I know not big numbers by any means, but it's a start, and it is going to now kick into gear Facebook's algo, and it's going to show my group more and more to other people that might be interested, and it should grow from there, which is cool. A third and final thing is that I did actually make an affiliate sale today. It was only a $50 sale. It was for my Builder All business package, which I'm giving away my funnel and 2.5K worth of training, plus pretty much unlimited access to me as a coach and mentor. So pretty good deal, I think. But trying to convince people that sometimes it doesn't always come out the way you hope. But anyway, this gentleman has now joined my team, and I can't wait for that. So basically, that was the results. 41 subscribers to my bot, 59 new members to my affiliate marketing related group, and one affiliate sale for $50 upfront, plus 30% of that recurring each and every month that this person stays with me as part of my team. So pretty exciting stuff anyway. And like I say, I did it all off free traffic, and I'm really happy. So anyway, hopefully you've learned something from this. If you do want to join my team for Builder All, by the way, I am going to leave a link below. And of course, leave your comments. Let me know what you do to help grow your bots and your Facebook groups as well. So anyway, once again, my name is Jamie G. I want to say a massive thanks for joining me here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.